Are you struggling to meet potential partners? Your hobbies can be a powerful tool for dating success. Here are 5 ways to leverage them effectively. First, choose activities that interest you and are social in nature. Join clubs, classes, or groups where you can meet new people who share your passions. Second, use your hobbies to spark conversations. When you meet someone, asking about their interests can create an engaging dialogue and reveal common ground. Third, showcase your hobbies on your dating profile. Whether it's through photos or descriptions, let your passions shine. This attracts like-minded individuals. Fourth, host events or gatherings centered around your hobbies, whether it's a game night, cooking class, or a book club. Inviting others can create a fun and relaxed environment for connection. Lastly, be open to new hobbies. Trying something new can lead you to unexpected relationships. Whether it's rock climbing or painting, expanding your interests can introduce you to diverse people. By embracing what you love, you not only enrich your life, so enhance your dating prospects. So, dive into your passions and watch love unfold.